Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is January 25th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures flying high. They're up 23.5 points ahead of the opening bell. Right now, they're trading at 26.57.5 per contract. So this is a pretty good pop. Market gaining back almost everything it lost from Tuesday, when we reopened after the Martin Luther King holiday. So again, pretty good pop here in the futures. We'll see how it all shakes out today. Now today is a Friday, the last trading day of the week, and we'll see what we get going forward. But let's get started here. We have lots of stocks in the news this morning. All right, we're going to start the day off with Intel. Big semiconductor play. Yesterday's semis were on fire on the back of Lam Research and Xilinx. Today they are slumping a little bit with Intel. Intel right now trading at $46.50. Stock closed at $49.73. So Intel has a couple of interesting levels in play. First level I'm looking at is 45.80. There is definitely some support. That level was tested yesterday after the pre-market. So, again, it's been softened up a little bit. The next level I'm going to give out in the intraday stock chat room as a gap play. So, again, we'll have that posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. And if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Earnings season's just getting started here. We still got a lot of the big boys left to report. And, again, should be some very, very good morning action each and every day. Next up, we want to take a look at SBUX. Ticker symbol on this is SBUX, and the stock right now is trading at $67.25. Stock closed at $63.88. So good little pop there for SBUX. I think there's very good resistance right around $69. So keep that on the radar today. If you own the stock, I would trail the stop loss and see if you can ride it up into that level. We also have Western Digital out here, WDC. Is the ticker symbol. This closed at $40.14. This has been a weak stock really for probably the last 4 years. And today it's getting a little bit of a bid. So it closed at $40.14, now trading at $44.45. Good little pop there. Think you have some resistance really in play just above 45. And even as you go higher, there's more resistance. So if you own this one, I would trail the stop loss immediately. Anytime we look at Western Digital, we also want to look at Seagate. STX also getting a nice pop today. Closed at $40.98, now trading at $42.45. Let's go over to another one here. E-Trade Financial, ETFC, is the ticker symbol here. Stock closed at $49.49, now trading at $47.63. So little bit of a haircut there for E-Trade. There's a lot of support around 42 bucks if it got that low. I don't even expect it to do that, but you never know. We'll see how it plays out. Let's take a look at Alaska Airlines. ALK is the ticker symbol here. The stock is trading at $64.50, closed at $65.79. So this has a little bit of down ticking to it. I don't know if we could make much more out of it than that. It's not a big move by any stretch. So we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at NSC, Norfolk Southern. This is a rail play. Not a lot of volume here in the pre-market. We don't want to make too much out of it, but it is ticking down a little bit at $61.05. Stock did close at $66. So we'll watch that one once the opening bell rings, see if we can come up with a level. Again, that doesn't have a lot of volume in the pre-market. Let's take a look at Discovery, DFS, Discovery Card or Discovery Financial Services. Stock is trading at $64.50. Closed at $66.25. So you got a little bit of a downtick there. I'm not seeing anything major one way or the other. Again, we will look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see if we come up with a level. If by some chance this does get down to around $58.50 today, which I don't really expect, that would be very, very good support. Let's take a look at ABBV. Stock is trading at $83.25, closed at $85.88. This has been under pressure for quite a while. I happen to think it's at very good support down here around this area. Hard to pick it out to the penny, but in this general range, you're probably looking at some short-term support here intraday. Next up, we want to take a look at one more here. We'll go with Colgate-Palmolive. Stock is trading at $61.10. I have a level for it a little bit lower. So again, I'll post it up in the intraday stock chat room. Did close yesterday at $62.16. So it is down ticking a little bit, but I'll have a good level for us in the intraday stock chat room, not too far away. We may see this in play this morning. So there we have it. That's what we're looking at. There's probably a few other gaps out there or movers, but I'm not seeing any real big levels on them just yet, but I will continue to look. Next up, we want to take a look at crude oil today. That is trading higher by 5 cents to $53.17 an ounce. A barrel. And again, not much movement in oil this morning. Gold is also trading higher by 8 points. So right now you have gold trading at $1,287.80 an ounce. Let's take a look at the GLD. Let's see what that's telling us. That's at 121.77, closed at 121.08. So gold getting a pop, crude oil basically flat, and the market futures are higher by 25.5 points. So great pop there overall, and we'll see what this market gives us going forward. I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.